Oh, sorry, sorry. That was it. Give me my gun. He's in that corner on the door. On the door. On the door right in front of us. Yep, he's on that door.
Hit. Step it out. Hit.
Hit.
I wouldn't call that for proven.
You sure?
I got hard.
Okay, then it's all good. Hit. Hit. You got me. Did I get you or no? Dude, that was a snapshot. This was really good, guys. That was good. Who did I like overshoot? Sorry, dude. This was, yeah.
Oh, left side, far left.
Whoa, what's that? Did that count? No, I'm dead then. It hit me.
Oh, yeah, hit. You're good, you're good. Right.
They're on the back side, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Watch out to your right.
Yeah, I know.
You're gonna get shot. There. Oh, shit, hit! Nice shot.
Move, 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 move. Got them both. Hand me my gun. Hand me my gun.
He's right next to that tree. Right there. Woo!
Yeah, sorry, my bad.
I was trying to not give that.
Hey, you shot again. You're still I could realize because
Kyler.
you shot the wall first.
Kyler, are you dead?
What you were trying to do.
Do you want to surrender? Do you want to surrender? Hit. Oh, I don't know how you met it. Oh. No. No, 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 no. Gun, don't do this. Come on. Yes. Hit.
Germany. Deactivated bag number 1. This is game control. Nerve number 1 has been deactivated.
Other side, other side. Friendly, friendly, friendly. Green. Green, green, green.
Oh, nice, dude.
Oh no, Irish. Don't worry, that's make up for all the times I've TK'd you.
I knew it was coming.
No, 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 he's in the dirt.
1 minute left in the game. 1 minute.
Oh, you fucking cunt.
That's
Yeah,
my-
get overshot, idiot.
That's the issue I have with this game. I can just do this and shoot you. It's dumb.
Suck my nuts, bro.